All right, so welcome back. As you can see, I've started the masking process here, and I've started taping out the pattern I'm going to be spraying onto this piece here. As you can see in the glare, you can see there's still the masking that's going to let through that silver layer. We'll do a little painting on that later to make it look, certain spots scorched and burnt. But we're going to do the red layer first, then demask everything. So should be pretty fun. So now that I've got my design, I'm going to take this and I'm going to mask off. Paper's usually good. Mask off the rest of this area. Make sure that it is good and covered, because any little bit will get covered with spray bits. Got to make sure you cover everything. So starting off with that, let's get that piece done, and then we'll work on the other stuff. This masking tape, I am using it pretty heavily on this project just because I'm feeling I want to make sure that this is really covered, and I'm not going to have any issues with overspray. So that's nice and covered. Little things like that, looking really cool. I might actually fix that edge. There we go. That's better. That actually looks kind of cool. Kind of adds to the design a little bit. I might keep this piece unmasked. Now, after this is done, I like to come in, take a little piece of tape, tear it off, and then start tearing little pieces like these. And what I'll do is I'll lay them in to the design to break up the edge. Little chips in the paint end up looking really nice. You end up with some pretty cool little design bits. You can lay your pieces together, make them look like, the paint's been scraped off even away from where the silvering is going to be. But as well, it's good to layer in amongst them as well, because it will break up the edge of that silver bits as well, to give a sense of where the paint has worn off, chipped, flaked, been blown away, that sort of thing. It's pretty handy. As you can see, I'm dropping it in, making some randomness to it. Edges are good. Floating bits are good as well in the centers, so that it looks a little more normal. Again, breaking up that one piece right here. It's very angular. It's going to look good to have that chips, all the little chips and everything. And when you're done, it should look a lot like this. Lots of bits here and lots of bits here. When this sprays out, it's going to break up the pattern and still give you a sense that it's there, and then we'll go for aging. But that's all for now. I'll see you when it's sprayed.